Bye, parents.
Bye. Thank you.
Thanks for everything.
Travel safe.
Yep. See ya. Okay, I don't know where my family is, but we're here taking pictures. I'm taking pictures here of this boat, this giant aircraft carrier that's coming in on port. Definitely had to stop when I saw this coming in. We're coming from down there, driving this way, and here are some photos of this bad boy coming in, being escorted by some U.S. naval little boats that you can see on either side of them. This is awesome. Amazing, amazing. Not my family. They're sitting in the car. They don't care about this boat. I think it's pretty awesome.
Dad, we got you water and a dark chocolate.
What do you guys think about that boat? Or is it a ship?
Like, did they already drop everything off?
No, they're going into port. They're going home. Those guys will probably be...
What is it?
It's called, do you know what that's called, Emily?
Cargo ship?
Nope. It's an aircraft carrier. Basically, you fly planes off and on that.
Really? I feel the need for speed. Ow!
Yeah. That's like from Top Gun, girls. Do you know the movie Top Gun? No. You'll have to figure that out one day.
Great. Maverick and Goose.
All right, heading home, southbound.
If it has the word gun in it, it's probably not. It's rated probably PG-13 or R.
Yeah, you probably can't watch it.
Bye.
Bye. All right, Abigail, welcome to the studio. Here's the backdrop. Nice picture. You need some help?
Yes.
All right, I'll help you.
How hard is it?
All right, looks like we got some backdrop stuff here. All right, why don't you introduce yourself?
I don't know how to.
Yes, you do. Welcome to Speed 51 set.
Set.
Welcome to the Speed 51 studio.
Okay.
Go.
Welcome to the Speed 51 studio.
My name is.
My name is Abigail Ryan.
What are we going to cover today? Some racing?
I don't know. I think.
All right. All right, headed home on the highway. We're there, getting to see a real race car, heading to the racetrack. Got a little dirt late model action going. He's probably going to Lancaster, which is 20 miles south of our house. Got the nice open trailer with the viewing stand. Got his extra tires. Got the tires exposed. Still driving home, following this race car down to where we live. Look at this race car driver. She is out, passed out. Poor little girl. Very cute though. Very cute, Abigail. I wish you some good sleep. I'm gonna wake you up in a couple minutes though. Look what happened to Bubby.
She fell asleep?
Bubby fell asleep.
Hi, Bobby.
Hi, Bubby.
Hi, Bobby.
Hi, Bubby.
All right, put the window up.
All right.
About 1 minute. And you guys can do it. What is